Good evening. My name is Phil Disselcohen, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Tonight we're going to look at the double hand push from a wedge guard. So basically you want to start with an L stance, so you're going to have feet together. You're going to turn one foot towards the front, and you're going to move it out just about a foot length and a half. Okay, that gets you into a nice L stance. Okay, then you're going to get into a wedge guard. You're going to get that front elbow up nice and high, just like so. Okay, and the back hand's going to be right there protecting the front of your body, just like that. Okay, so what we want to do is, let's say there's an attack that's coming from, it's a haymaker punch, it's coming around this side here. Basically, you're going to push off with both hands, and immediately come back to the double-handed wedge guard. The wedge guard. So you're going to quickly push out with both hands, and then come back to the wedge guard immediately. Don't hesitate. Come back as soon as you do that, attempt that push. Okay. Also, it could be a defense against somebody coming at you from the side, and they're approaching you, and basically you're just pushing against them to push them away. Okay. So we can demonstrate this a few times on each side. So get into a good wedge guard, then push off, then come back. Push off, and come back. Now, also, we're going to work on the from the middle. So it's going to be, we're going to push off down here. So let's say maybe it's a kid or something that's coming at you. You're going to push off just like that. So you're going to push off, come back, push off, and come back. Okay, let me do that from the other side. Into a good wedge guard. Okay, push off, come back, push off, come back, push off, come back. And also from a middle section attack, going to push off, come back, push off, come back, and push off, come back. Okay, so I'm going to have Mr. Booker come in and assist me demonstrating doing this against a double blocker. Okay, so I'm going to get into a good wedge guard. Make sure the elbow's up nice and high. Okay, the helper is going to put the blocker right there, about face high. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to push against it. Just touch and push. Okay, touch and push. And touch and push. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit harder. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now Mr. Booker's going to do like a haymaker punch. He's going to swing it like a bat. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do a middle section. Okay, so we're going to start down with the blocker right about midsection. Get to a good wedge guard. Push off, come back. Push off, come back. Okay, now he's going to do a swing, like it's a kick. And 1, and 2, and 3. And 4. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Booker. The important thing when we're doing this is that you don't leave your hands out here like this. You really want to do it fast and come back. Okay, you want to get back into a good defensive position. So again, high and middle. And that is the double-handed push from a wedge guard.